I have never heard or seen any Benin person speak negatively about the Oba of Benin. I have never. Who raised you, like I said? You see that throne the king is seated on? That throne is bigger than you and your entire generation. You're a small boy. You have no right to meddle into matters concerning our traditional king. You have no right. Do you want to bring curse upon?
And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. I don't know, say worry people, they vex like this. So, I just said I only Bini. If you talk to their traditional ruler, like Benin now, if you try them, the way they go take attack you, you know go, you yourself, mune go dey come out for your eye. I can't see say Jollof, that man, whether that guy whether they call Jollof, he can't do one video, they talk to their palace anyhow. In fact, if you not to do them anyhow, you don't know say go offend the good worry children there. Now they fall out for them, say, oh ja, before they open their eye, that video, you have to delete it. Fast. Now I see one Nollywood actress too. She come out when I go know her research. She come out, say, oh ja, fast. Go delete that video. Now I'll buy they talk to like that. Wait, be say, don't people not go try and talk to their you want die? Now the guy now, my darling people, I see one video now where in do take beg now. I go see put the video. Now so better pikin take the behave. You see, and now when he know say he wrong for what he do. If people do video now take beg. Say he want that way he go try and talk to their palace anyhow. Their traditional ruler, if I craze, I be smoke dry shit. Now he come out now begin the beg. So I go see put the video Mona Siam my darling people. So that's so better picking. That's so better picking till they behave. Not be say they'll tell you something. You see they claim rights. No, he knows say what he do. He not really do away. Nah. He really don't come out now. Come beg. I pray make everybody see forgive him. That's so it's supposed to be. You don't go let day break journal. You quick beg, fast, do the right thing. You understand? So I just like what he do now. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Please, Mona say share the video. The one I first share the other one. Mona say share this one like that, so that the whole world go see and say Jollof don't come beg. Thank you, my darling people. I go put the video now where into beg. Mona see. Thank you. Bye.
I know say the year shekiri like that now gradual process because really on ground that time, so really the year shekiri. So yesterday Chief Mene Brown as they talk say Chief Ayuri and not be Oluboshere again. Maybe the king hear say now wait till the guy talk because it not be like direct speech. Okay, so I made it ask. Make the king use a math to talk with Chief Mene Brown talk whether he really correct because I don't go believe so Okiame will just sit down say I really not go be Oluboshere. First of all, what I really do? Now what did the law talk? Not be what I really write. What did the law talk? Now you really make they follow. Which is not wrong. But events don't take its course. Abi? What I expect the king to do according.
My name is Lizzy Onowaje. My tribal name is Orisha Bupemi Onowaje. I am from Warri South Local Government or Madino. I'm a proud Shekiri girl and a Nollywood actress. Jollof, this video is for you. Who raised you? What part of the Shekiri kingdom are you from? You have no right to bring matters concerning our traditional ruler, Ogiame, Atuwashe Ditoro to your social media platforms. I have never heard or seen any Benin person speak negatively about the Oba of Benin. I have never. Who raised you, like I said? You see that throne the king is seated on? That throne is bigger than you and your entire generation. You're a small boy. You have no right to meddle into matters concerning our traditional king. You have no right. Do you want to bring curse upon your life? By virtue of authority, powers in the firmament, land and water is bestowed on the king. He has every right to place a curse on you. Stop acting like a tout all the time. I have been monitoring you squarely all the time. You spew nonsense on your page. Don't you have friends that can advise you? If your friends cannot advise you, can your parents not advise you? Please bring down that video from your page and apologize to the Ishekiri kingdom. You are a small boy. Where elders are speaking, kids don't go close. You're a child. All right? Please learn to behave yourself. Don't allow the Instagram or social media, whatever, make you forget where you are from. Bring down that video. Thank you.
Ogiame, Afomas, Ogburu, Pururu, Ogiame, Pururu. Baba, yesterday now post video on how we go fit come together. How Shekiri go take be one. How Shekiri go take move forward with a 10 years plan. Baba, nice sons and daughters of the land. Now they misinterpret me. Say I be rebel. Baba, if you can recall very well, 21st of August, the coronation, I personally congratulated you. The following day, Baba, I made 2 publications on my Instagram platform where get over 1 million plus followership to promote the throne. So, Baba, how for October, I will cut a the rebel. A short punch. Baba, may nobody misinterpret me. And I will call on the sons and daughters of Iwere land. Make una not see me as rebel to Iwere land. I belong to the school of thought that the uniqueness of Ishekiri, now one crown, one king, one language. I beg, if una misinterpret me, I be peace ambassador, and for the purpose of peace and tranquility that I will always stand on, I will call on the sons and daughters of Ishekiri. Most especially, I will call on Baba to forgive me. If possible, the Baba will give me the blessing self. Say, autonomy, Abuna own. So I take God beg una. I beg una, not go fit be rebel to Iwere land. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless Delta State. And God bless Iwere land. Ashamukia. Ashamukia.